This exercise is called single 360 to reverse 360. So if you're familiar with club training, it's very much a sort of shield cast into reverse shield cast. So it's all about the movement that you're doing with the elbows. So a traditional 360, we're going to start off with our feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Okay, we're in that order type position now with our shoulder down and packed down, elbow nice and tight into the ribs. And then from there, we're going to cast it over the shoulder, full flexion through the elbow, and then we're going to bring it back into that starting position now. So that will be your traditional single arm 360, where we're performing an inside elbow circle. We can do the exact same movement, but with an outside elbow circle. So outside elbow circle, we're going to bring it away from midline. It's exactly the same movement though. So from here, I'm going to bring my elbow across and then going to bring it back into that center line. Okay, so we can do the same. So we can put those two exercises together and make one movement. So we can do our single arm 360 with the right arm, and then we can swap hands and bring it across left hand, and we can do our reverse 360, which is our outside circle, and we just keep changing hands. So we can do our reverse 360 with our left, we can do our normal single arm 360 with the right, and we're working both sides of the body, two different movement patterns. So it's a good exercise to put into your workouts. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like now. So we do our normal single arm 360, and then from here, I'm just going to make sure I've got a little bit of handle to grip onto at the bottom. We're going to bring that elbow across, do our outside 360, and then from there, hand over the top, back into single arm 360. Just keep bringing that hand back into the navel, and then just keep changing hands from side to side, making sure that you get those triceps into full flexion and that your thumb comes all the way down to the top of your t-shirt line. It's a fun movement you can put into your workouts. So single arm 360, reverse 360.